2, 1. Save spot button.
The time is now, let go of fear. We're on the hunt for a Fractillus kill. The drops we seek are almost here. So join the guild or disappear for the Bedtime Bandits. Our destiny's real. Our greatest achievement, the Fractillus kill. The time is now, it's crystal clear. No turning back from the Fractillus kill. When day is done, when night is near, the Bedtime Bandits are drawing near. For the Bedtime Bandits, our destiny's real. Our greatest achievement, the Fractillus kill. The bandits are coming to take what is theirs. Their destiny's waiting. There's no time to spare. The Bedtime Bandits. The Bedtime Bandits. The Bedtime Bandits. The Bedtime Bandits. Now it's time to prepare. Get your potions, get your scrolls, and your bandages. But remember, there's no need to be scared, 'cause Q's in control. So just listen and stay focused. Now! Let's go!
Pred, devky, všechno, co máte. Běžíme na safe spot. Nikdo nebude jinde než na safe spotu. Good fucking job.
Finally.
A nic
Fajn,
nepadlo.